Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. HOA and I are here in the studio. It's kind of late at night. Tonight I want to try something that's kind of a combination of the old and the new put together. I love straight pours and I love doing the straight pours and getting the fingerlings, and lately I've been having a lot of fun with the yeet pours, so we might do something to combine those two. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas, which I absolutely love this size. It's so much fun to work with. So I have taped the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted my sides and edges with my Paynes Grey. Let me show you the colors real quick because they're beautiful. This one is Golden's Paynes Grey. Gorgeous stuff. Not super thick, not super thin. Mound on a mound and then sinks into itself pretty quickly. The pouring medium for tonight is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol. I also have here DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Beautiful. And we have some Amsterdam Titanium White. Very nice. We have this beautiful Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. This is such a pretty color. Really, really beautiful. I used this in the last pour that I did, and I absolutely love the way that it came out. It's over there drying. Very, very pretty stuff. And this last one that's here is Folk Art Treasure Gold Aquamarine, and I added a tiny bit of green to it. I don't remember which green I added to it, but it's changed it. But I really like this now, and I really like this now. Somebody had asked a question the other day of how do you choose your palette? And usually for me it starts off with one color that I'm obsessed with or that I've just gotten or I saw someone using. For example, tonight it's this one, the Matisse Southern Ocean Blue, and I'll pick one that's darker and one that's a little lighter with contrast, and then a white, and usually gold or bronze or some kind of metallic. So that's pretty much how I pick my palettes and how I like to work. Okay. So let's go ahead and start layering a cup. You said 26 ounces, right? These are 16 ounce cups, so we will actually need 2 of them. Let's see. Let's start off with a tiny bit of gold in the bottom. I'm just going to layer them the same. See, when I said tiny, I meant tiny. And a little bit of white. And let's come in with that beautiful Paynes Grey. And then put some of this Aquamarine green in there. And some of the Southern Ocean Blue. Such a beautiful color. Okay, a little bit of gold. A little bit of white. And let's do that again. Let's mix it up though a little bit. And we just put that one in. Alright, so we'll put some of this light green. And some of the Southern Ocean Blue. And some Paynes. A little bit of gold. White. And the white is actually really important because it's going to create that contrast and that pop for us among the other colors. So I'm going to use the green first. And we're going to end it with some of this pretty Southern Ocean Blue. Okay. Move these over. We do have 2 more colors over here in case I decide that I want to do a yeet. I'm not sure if I'm going to want to or not, just because if we do a straight pour close to the canvas, we're going to get a lot of fingerlings, and if we have a lot of fingerlings, it's already going to be kind of busy, and I don't know that the yeet would look so awesome on there. Conversely, we could also pour it from up high and see what we get that way. What do you think, HOA? Should we do fingerlings or should we pour it from up high and go for cells? We haven't done fingers.
Cells. We haven't had fingerlings in a while though.
We haven't done Okay. Alright. So I'm going to take some of my gold and I'm going to pour it kind of as a runway across the canvas diagonally. And we're going to use that as a runway, as a guide of where I want to pour my colors. Okay. All right. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness? Here we go. I'm going to get close to the canvas. And I'm going to kind of push the paint. Okay. That's really pretty. I love that. Okay. All right. We're going to take our second cup and we're going to start it right there.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. That's really cool. Okay.
Made it always stand.
Okay. This is looking really beautiful. I love what's happening in here and I love all of this too. Okay, cool. All right, I have, let's see, this darker color base coat, which I'm gonna put, this is just drips from, that have actually been sitting here driving me insane for a very long time. So I'm very happy to use them. One of the reasons that I really love doing this is I think that the blending that we get in here is just gorgeous. Like this area right here where that Paynes is coming through with the green on either side and then the Southern Ocean blue on it. It's beautiful. This is so pretty. Kind of flamey over there, HOA. Lots of little cells coming up through the center, which is awesome. Okay, let's tilt this out and see what we get. I'm gonna actually turn it this way. I see something in my paint, which I don't like. Where'd my tweezers go? Bit of something dry. Okay. Let's tilt this out and see what happens. I'm gonna actually take it down to that bottom corner, because I want to go off that edge first. I don't want to lose a lot of this though. Okay. Bring this back to the center. Now we're just going to start to walk it down. I'm going to go off that corner and get rid of the flow extender. Bring it back to the middle. I'll take it down there to the bottom. That wave was pretty cool, huh? Okay. I like this. I'm gonna adjust the composition just a little bit. And I think I'm going to see if I can take off some of that bottom edge down there. because I don't know if we need it, and we seem to have a lot of paint on here. I like the gold, but I'd rather open up this top part. That's pretty nifty. What do you think, honey?
Yep.
You like it?
Looks like a rip in the Matrix.
Yeah, kind of. I like that top part a lot. Open that up just a little bit more.
Tear in the space-time
You
continuum.
might lose some of this down here at the bottom. That's okay with me.
And there it goes.
Well, I kept the part I wanted, so that's good. Okay. I kind of like that a lot.
Yeah.
I'm just going to take this back to the center just a little bit. And I think we're done. I like that a lot. I don't want to do a yeet on it. I like the composition, I like the colors, I like what's happening, I like the blending. These cells over here in this corner and on that corner are amazing. And I love where we get those little sharp pointy lines in here with the gold and the Paynes Grey. That's really beautiful. Okay. Give this one more torch. Oh, I like these colors a lot. It's so pretty in here. Gorgeous. Okay. Cool. That's looking pretty cool. I am very happy with this. And I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We'll be right back. Awesome. Look at these cells. You see this?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And in here, that's so cool. I love this. That like jaggedy edge sort of. Very cool. Cool. I'm happy. I like it.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. Okay, this is a few days later. I'm so happy with how this piece turned out. I love these colors and I love this technique. The wandering straight pour has always been one of my favorites just because you get so many beautiful effects. Specifically, what I love the most about this one, I think, is this section right in here with these gorgeous fingerlings from the Paynes Grey, just barely outlined in that gorgeous gold, really defining the colors in that beautiful, beautiful Southern Ocean blue, gorgeous color with the lighter green and the 24 karat, and all of that contrasting against the Paynes Grey is really beautiful. I'm in love with these cells over here. This is just so pretty to me. Very ceramic. Gorgeous stuff. Really, really pretty. Beautiful fingerlings. Really neat. HOA says this one reminds him of a rip in the space-time continuum. Very cool stuff happening though in here. Really pretty like watercolory effects over in this section. I love this corner. These cells are so cute and blingy. Just beautiful. I really like the corners. Very cool stuff. So this one was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Please check out the rest of our Sunday morning premiere train with Studio 15 Acrylics, Nate Bright Art, Kelly from Feral Art, and myself. So So thanks for being here, guys. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.